Think of this. What matters most to you in life? Do you care about managing tasks to meet academic deadlines just to secure a college diploma? While many of us finish education with the hope of securing a better future, since in reality, most opportunities are given to those who have their college degree, right? But have you considered the broader picture? Imagine holding that diploma while our country suffers from pressing issues like poverty, unemployment, discrimination, and corruption. This may seem very different to one another, but they all share a common thread. They are social issues that hinders our collective pursuit to have a peaceful and prosperous life. But did you know that as young individual as you are, your responsibilities extend beyond finishing your studies? You have the power and the opportunity to realize your dreams beyond the classroom. It is through voting. It is a means through which we can enact substantial change today, paving the way for a brighter tomorrow. Our collective future depends on our willingness to uphold our duties as a citizen, to vote, to speak up, and to stand up to what is right can be a start for a better and brighter tomorrow. Well, I'm here standing in front of you, not to convince you to vote, because it is your civic duty. It is your right and responsibility to join in a democratic process because you are a citizen. But I'm here to help you to realize how we can use properly the power of voting in shaping a better and brighter future. On how we can change and create a big impact just by voting for a leader. A leader who is willing and has the capacity to create a big changes on our country. Changes that can improve the way of life of many Filipinos. But let me tell you this, there is no perfect leader. There's no even perfect administration, which is really evident from the past decades. But your voice, your choice, and the power to transform the course of history, to shape policies, affect not only your life, but the lives of the generations to come. Well, I'm here standing in front of you, not to convince you to vote, because it is your civic duty. It is your right and responsibility to join in a democratic process, because you are a citizen. But I'm here to help you to realize how we can properly use the power of voting in shaping a better and brighter future. On how we can change and create a big impact just by voting a leader. A leader who is willing and has the capacity to create a big changes to our country. Changes that can improve the way of life of many Filipinos. But let me tell you this, there is no such thing about perfect leader. There's not even a perfect administration, which is really evident from the past decades. But your voice, your choice, has the power to transform the course of history. To shape policies that does not affect not only your life, but also the lives of generations to come. This is the essence of a democracy, and it is a privilege that we must never take for granted. In the Philippines, we have witnessed time and time again the incredible impact of the voice and the choice of the youth. From the EDSA People Power Revolution and to the recent 2022 national election, young Filipinos have proven that they are a force to foster and shape a brighter future. But let's not stop there. Voting is not merely a civic duty, but it is also a moral obligation. It is not enough to simply mark a ballot. Likewise, when voting for our biased leader, we must understand that the goal of an election is not to favor our preferred candidates, but rather to benefit the entire nation. We must educate ourselves and empower ourselves with knowledge about the candidates and the issues at stake. We must hold our leaders accountable, demand transparency, and ensure that they serve the best interest of the Filipino people. In the recent 2022 national election, many issues and challenges faced by the youth. One significant issue during the campaign period was the spread of misinformation and fake news. These were used as a propaganda to target the voters, especially us, the youth. Have we realized how this false information affected and manipulated us in choosing whom to vote for? According to the Pew Research Center, during the 2022 national election, false information circulated widely on the social media platforms, reaching millions of voters. And shockingly, a significant portion of voters admitted to believing and sharing misinformation without verifying its authenticity. This evidence shows how easily we Filipinos can be manipulated. Hence, we should have the knowledge to verify information and make sure to use credible and reliable resources. Furthermore, vote buying also became a major issue in the last election. As a matter of fact, according to the Statistical Research Department, 49% of the respondents identified vote buying as the leading issue in our country. This is not surprising, as many of us experiencing poverty. And the reality is that some political leaders and parties use this to gain support by offering money and rewards. Aside from compromising the dignity of our right and responsibility to vote, we are also sacrificing our future for a small amount of reward. But that doesn't stop there. There are still hundreds of elections that will happen in the future. Let's not allow this mistake to cause us to suffer again. After all, we still have the chance to vote with an awareness, understanding, knowledge, and dignity in the upcoming years. To my fellow youth, seize the opportunity to use your single choice to contribute to a millions of voices that will shape a better future. By studying and actively participating as a citizen through voting, we can mold a brighter future for our nation. A future where every Filipino has the opportunity to thrive and succeed. So I urge all of you, my fellow youth and Filipinos, to let your voice be heard. And so, I challenge you to register and vote in the upcoming May 2025 elections. Join me and countless others in making voices heard, in making a difference that resonates far beyond the confines of a ballot box. Together, let us seize the opportunity to shape a brighter tomorrow for ourselves, for our communities, and for the future generations.